Welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to your AOL account. Okay, and then okay, so let's get started. Okay, so in order to sign up for the AOL, type aol.com on your web browser. Right, so AOL homepage is completely filled up with news, and in order to sign up, we'll just click on this login/join option since we're looking for the join. Okay, cool. So here's create an account option. Even you can sign in with Facebook, Google, Yahoo. All right, I'll just create a new account. Cool. So I'll take my first name, then I'll put the last name, then I'll put some trending name, and then I'll enter my password. I guess the mobile number is compulsory here as well. So like lots of this email services, you can even use your email address, but yeah, they're looking for the phone number, I guess. So I'll just enter my mobile number, and once you fill up these all detail, click on this continue option to proceed further. All right, so they will ask you to send the verification code, and just click on this text me verification. All right, yeah, so I just received my verification, which is 71451. All right, so I'm almost there. I'm almost about to complete my AOL sign up. All right, you can see congratulations. So yeah, my new account is created and I was able to sign up. So once I continue this, definitely I will be redirected to the home page, and here I am. Thank you so much for watching.